No, no, don't let her smile fool. Don't let her eyes confuse. Red lips always lie. 'Cause red lips have a filthy price. That's a murder in her paradise. No, no, red lips have a filthy price. That's a murder in her paradise.
Starting with my favorite primer, we got the Too Faced Prime and Poreless and the Too Faced Plump and Prime.
Have a filthy price. That's a murder.
Alright, first I'm going to go in with the Benefit Brow Zing Pro Palette in the color Light Medium, and then the L'Oreal Brown Stylist Definer in Ash Brown, just to quickly define my brows.
Red lips always lie.
Alright guys, today I am using cream-based makeup, so bear with me. First we're going in with the SEINT foundation in the color Amber and Mango.
Red lips always lie. 'Cause red lips have a filthy price. That's a murder in her paradise. Red lips always lie.
Then for the concealer, I'm going to use the SEINT in Sunlit and Linen. This is such a great under eye concealer. It brightens up your entire face.
No, no, don't let her smile fool. Don't let her eyes confuse. Red lips always lie. 'Cause red lips have a filthy price. That's a murder in her paradise. No, no, red lips have a filthy price. That's a murder in her paradise.
Next, to contour everything, I'm going in with the SEINT in the color Walnut and Olive mixed together. This contour, you start off with a little and it goes such a long way.
Red lips always lie.
With this contour, I like to take a smaller brush and outline the sides of my nose. It just gives you a more defined area to be able to work with when you use a smaller brush. For blush, I am going to be mixing SEINT FRENCHIE with, oh my god, the queen of makeup, JACLYN Hill's cream to powder blush stick in Royal Flush. Guys, these are the best blush ever. I'm not really big into cream makeups because I haven't used them much, but these are amazing and they blend so well. Then to add a little bit more depth, I'm going to add in SEINT in the color Ash. This is not really a bronzer, but it's darker than my color, so I'm using it as a bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going in with the SEINT in the color Angel, and I am mixing it with the JACLYN Hill Star Power. Now I'm just going to set everything in place with the e.l.f. HD powder. Alright, the palette we are going to use today is the Too Faced Own Your Pretty palette. The first color I'm using is called Reindeer, and that is going to be going over the entire lid. Then I am going to go in with the color Dreams, and that is going to be more on the outer corner, blending it into the inner a little bit. Next, we are going to take the color Paper Roses, bring it on the inner corner to add some shimmer. Let's throw on some eyeliner and some lashes and some mascara, and then onto the lips. We are using Lip Injection as a base by Too Faced. I don't know why, but I just love it. And then the Too Faced Melt Matte in Lady Balls. Oh my god, this color is amazing.